Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel, My Craft World.
Today we will learn how to cook Chavali Masala or black eyed beans masala.
Please like and subscribe my channel.
Ingredients:
Oil,
1 cup of black eyed beans, 6 to 8 hours soaked, then pressure cooked for 4 whistles by adding little salt. 1 big onion chopped. 2 medium sized tomatoes chopped. Red chilli powder 1 teaspoon. Salt as per taste. Mustard seeds half teaspoon. Asafotida 2 pinch. Coriander leaves chopped. Amchur powder half teaspoon. Curry leaves. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Green chillies 2 chopped. In a hot pan add oil, then add mustard seeds to splatter. Add Asafotida to enhance the flavor and taste. Add onion and cook it till it gets transparent. Add curry leaves, green chillies and fry it well. Add turmeric powder and mix it well. Now add little salt as per taste and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add tomatoes and cook until it's soft. Now add pressure cooked black eyed beans and mix it well. Now add red chilli powder. Add the excess water from pressure cooked beans. In total, add 1 glass of water. Add Amchur powder for tangy flavor and very good taste. Cook it by closing the lid. Finally, add coriander leaves, mix it well and switch off the flame. Our tasty Chavali Masala or black eyed beans curry is ready to serve with chapatis and rice.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for future notifications.